That was the sound of my old robot vacuum getting its walking papers. Fired. Terminated. It was lazy, it got stuck on every rug, and frankly, my home was dirtier with the promise of cleaning than it was before. But the technology has changed. Drastically. The new generation of robot vacuums aren't just dumb discs, they're intelligent cleaning assistants that map your home, empty their own dustbin, and even wash their own mops. After a brutal testing process, I've hired the top 5 performers for specific jobs. The number 2 spot will completely redefine what you think a robot vacuum can do. Starting at number 1. Roborock UV35, a robot vacuum and mop. Best overall. The Roborock Qrevo S is our best overall recommendation for its strong balance of cleaning performance, smart features, and value. With powerful 7,000 pascals, suction and a multi-directional floating brush made to reduce hair tangling, it delivers consistent cleaning over hard surfaces, tile, and carpets. It offers multiple modes of suction power, such as balanced, turbo, and max, and this is easily controlled via the related app. We tested each mode on medium pile carpet, and the increased suction made a noticeable difference, picking out pieces of rice and cereal that got left behind. Navigation is managed by a precise LiDAR system that builds 3D maps of your home, in conjunction with an obstacle avoidance system that's smart enough to dodge cords, stray socks, and small toys. If you don't want to make manual changes in the app, the Qrevo S will automatically calibrate cleaning modes depending on the room to optimize usage. During its first run in our lab tests, the robot vacuum cleaned as it created a detailed map of the pen. Once this step is completed, we explored the app where we could create cleaning schedules, set up no-go zones, and configure levels from multi-story homes to adapt to different living spaces. There's a handy Do Not Disturb mode available that prevents the Qrevo S from running during specific timeframes, too. Number 2. Tapo RV30 Max Plus. Best budget. We haven't tried this model yet, but the Tapo RV30 Max Plus is our best budget pick because it's an affordable robot vacuum that offers both vacuum and mop abilities, and that's a rarity at this price level. But the premium tools don't just stop there. This pick includes LiDAR navigation, room-specific cleaning, and an auto-empty dock, bringing high-end faculties to a more financially friendly category. With 5,200 pascals, suction power and a claimed 97% dust pickup rate, it's more than able to clean hardwood floors and carpet. The RV30 Max Plus supplies a 300 ml water tank and wide mop pad for consistent, everyday cleaning. It has 3 adjustable water flow levels, and uses a mesh grid pattern to go back over areas for a more thorough clean. The Tapo app allows you to customize cleaning parameters for each room, set virtual boundaries, and designate carpet areas to avoid mopping. The app stores up to 4 different floor maps, which is very useful for multi-story homes. It lacks advanced intuitiveness like AI-powered obstacle detection, so you'll need to pick up cables and other small items before cleaning, but that's a reasonable trade-off at this relatively low price. Considering the core features it does come with in app compatibility, the RV30 Max Plus is a solid value option for budget-conscious shoppers. Number 3. Roborock Qrevo CurvX Robot Vacuum and Mop. Most powerful. The Qrevo CurvX is a newer design from Roborock, and we like that it has a slimmer build to fit under a wider variety of furniture, but still packs 22,000 pascals of suction power, the highest on our list. It's equipped with a range of smart features, including pet recognition technology and two-way video calling, in the Roborock app, to interact with furry friends while you're away, making it a great choice for households with animals. The initial mapping process took a bit of time, but alas, this is a crucial step for an accurate layout of your home. Once the mapping was complete, the CurvX navigated efficiently, avoiding unnecessary paths and cleaning strategically as it went. During operation, the vacuum ran very quietly, especially when compared to other Roborock models we've experienced. One of the biggest conveniences is the automatic dustbin emptying system, as it significantly reduces the need for manual maintenance. The tanks hold debris for up to 7 weeks, and the water tank automatically refills the reservoir on the robot vacuum so you don't have to. Number 4. Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Lower maintenance. More basic robot vacuums typically require frequent maintenance, including removing tangled hair, emptying dustbins, and cleaning mop pads. Thankfully, models like the Eufy X10 Pro Omni reduce these monotonous tasks with carefully curated features. Beyond the lower upkeep, This RoboVac offers 8,000 pascals of suction power, laser navigation, and an artificial intelligence LED sensor camera for obstacle recognition in darker areas. Our tester felt like the X10 was just as good at mopping as it was at vacuuming. It handled dust, crumbs, dirt, thrown baby food, and her messy cooking habits exceptionally well. There is very seldomly any residue left behind unless it's super smashed or dried into the floor. The X10 uses 2 mop heads that rotate at 18,000 RPM, and the vacuum deploys 1 kilogram of downward pressure to mimic the kind of deep clean you might do by hand. There isn't a side brush, but the squoval shape was able to get closer to wall edges and corners. The X10 switched off the mops when it detected a rug and turned them back on immediately after navigating back onto the hardwood floors. It also performed well on an entry rug and never pushed or smashed it up like our tester's old robot vacuum did. Number 5. Dreame X40 Ultra Robotic Vacuum. Best features. As a first-time robot vacuum owner, our tester has been very pleased with his ongoing experience using the Dreame X40 Ultra. It's been able to take on dirt, dust, crumbs, and anything that has dog tracks inside, and exceeded expectations on hardwood floors. There are a few places it struggled to reach, like under a coffee table and TV stand, but we chalk that up to a height issue rather than capability concerns. The X40 Ultra has 12,000 pascals of suction power and a liftable, extendable side brush that gets close to wall corners and furniture legs. To protect rugs and carpets from getting wet, the robot vacuum can either detach the mop heads or lift them to 10.5 millimeters, preventing any wet and dry mess combinations. The app also allows you to program no-go zones, including rugs or other problem areas like staircases. Even with pet toys laying around the house, the X40 was able to navigate and map the layout with ease, all while avoiding these obstacles. So there you have it. The 5 new hires that are worth every single penny. No more guesswork, no more dumb vacuums. To get your own automated cleaning crew, every model we featured today, from the budget workhorse to the luxury flagship, all the links for the best prices are waiting for you in the description below. If this video helped you find your perfect cleaning partner, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone whose vacuum deserves to be fired. And subscribe because next week, we're testing the new robot mops that actually scrub your floors spotless. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a permanently clean home to enjoy.